accounts in all of Blox Fruits. These accounts belong to the biggest YouTubers, best PvP players in the world, and even an admin. And it's not Uzoth this time. We'll be showcasing everything these accounts have, and at the end, I will be rating each one of them out of 10 to determine which one is the greatest Blox Fruits account in the world. So a lot of you guys have told me that apparently Fulton have a very stacked account with a bunch of good stuff in it, but just taking a look at it first glance, I'm not very impressed so far. I mean, first of all, looking at the money here, 4.3 million, I mean, it's not bad, but compared to your boy, Fulton might as well be living in poverty. You know what I'm saying? The drip is kind of nice though. I like that white and black theme. Fold fam on top, I don't know about that. Nakama fam on top. Fold fam on bottom. That's kind of weird. Okay, so he's currently got the God Human equipped. 600 mastery. Okay, impressive. Looking at the stats here, not very evenly distributed. My OCD is kind of kicking in. What are these random numbers, bro? And of course, I'm sure you guys are all curious, as am I. Let's take a look at his inventory. Let's see how stacked it really is. Damn! 4 physical dragon tokens. Ooh, that redeem button's looking so juicy right now. Not gonna do it though. Not gonna do it. I'm pretty sure he knows where I live, and I would fear for my life. Curse Dual Katana, 560 mastery. Not bad. Looks like all his swords are upgraded too, which is impressive. Anything